Let me back up here so y'all can hear me. Well, if the barbecue rotisserie doesn't have the power, this 17 horsepower Kawasaki does. Yeah, this is not a new trick if you've never seen this before. This has been around a long time. I mean, you can even hook them to a car tire and just, you know, let the car sit there and idle in gear and it'll slowly turn it. Fortunately, the differential on this thing is stiff enough that I don't actually have to block the other tire. It'll just sit there and roll. So I'm gonna watch it a while and make sure my strapping doesn't come loose. It already has come loose once. And then just let the good times roll. As this progresses, I'm seeing more and more pinholes in the top, which means I think I'm gonna have to at least put a layer of fiberglass across the top and right down to the side curves. And then coat the inside. But that's okay, we'll decide that when the time comes.